Yes, it's your boy Sir Classy, and you're welcome to another tutorial where I'll show you a beat breakdown. And today we'll be looking at how I made a Davido type beat. I made this beat from scratch, using FL Studio 20, and so I'll show you how I put it up all together from the drums to the melodies, and yeah, let's get it. So you know how it goes. We listen to the preview and we'll see what next from there. Alright, so that's just a preview, and I'll run you through how I put it all together. So start with the drums here. I got this shaker. I downloaded it online from a what websites? I think it was from one of these royalty-free websites. So I got this shaker there. Then I played some percussions. I used the sound and the snare and this. Then I played the chord progression. Then I added my kick. So the kick is all split up in different patterns. So I can't show you how it all went, but you can see the kick here. Then I used a guitar to get that pom-pom sound instead of a xylophone that most people use. So I used a guitar in Nexus. Yeah, so that's what I did there. Then next thing I did here was added more pianos. Just to give it more kind of like to help you build up into the hook, and to give it more elated feel, like to make it more, touchy, and just to add more vibe, sha. Then I added this. This is a bass line in Nexus. Yeah, then the next thing I played here was it's a flute. The flute is in Nexus. Pan flute in Nexus under the classical category. And then what else? What else? What else? What else? What else did I add? Let's see. Yeah, the sample, the vocal sample. You know, this sample, the thing is, when I made this beat, I didn't make this beat around this sample. I just found it on Looperman, then I added it in there. It just magically fits into it. Sometimes it's just crazy when a sample that you like just fits into your beat without much stress. You understand? Like, so that was it. I just put it in there and just added a whole new vibe to the beat. So just added a whole new vibe to the beat. Then added strings, of course. Then added another string again for layer. I use orchestra to play my strings. Yeah. So let's hear how it all sounds there. Then the drum roll, I have my drum roll here. I did some time shift into it to make it fit into the beats. Then I add some SFX, some sound effects to help usher the chorus in so that they'll know that yes, this is the chorus. Yeah, so that's how I put the whole beat together. This is a Davido inspired beat. So it was really interesting making this one of my favorite beats. Really, I really enjoyed myself making these beats. Let's see how long it took. Just 2 hours, 12 minutes. Well, this is one of the best beats I've made in a long time. Like I really felt good making these beats. I kept playing these beats because it's on my website. So when I played the beat, I just kept listening to it, and like I just love this beat so much. So that's how I made my Davido inspired beats, and I hope it helps you making yours. Take care.